also has some vandalism. Little area there, little area there, there. This side is hit pretty good. But you know, when he sprayed, I'm assuming it was a guy, this is a girl's car. When he sprayed it, he got overspray all over this from the spray can. So you got paint on it too. I clayed that side over there, it's looking sweet. But I'm gonna clay bar it, and then I'll use an oil-based polish to remove the obscenity. This paint is faded beyond just having some overspray on it. Okay, hold on, I gotta come at a different angle. Look at the condition of this back wing. That's really dry, faded. You know, once a vehicle gets a couple, 2 or 3 years old, it happens. Just the condition of the paint, it's really dry. Very dry paint. Like I said before, this whole car's got overspray on it, besides the vandalism spray. So I gotta remove it. See the discoloration of the water, that's the paint. This car has vandalism damage, or someone sprayed it, but it also has paint overspray damage, so I've got to clay it first. That's the oxidation from the wing. Yeah, he really held the spray gun down hard on this. Really like concentrated in this area. I'm gonna make sure those eyes came out, I guess. Overspray will find a way. Look at that paint. Ooh, doggy. All right. That's that. All right. Get this penis off this car real quick. All right. The penis is removed from your car now. Alright, what's great about this stuff, it's gentle enough to remove the overspray off the license plate without damaging the letters on the license plate. Alright, it's a good looking license plate again. Got it off the tail light. The rear tail lights had quite a bit on it. When he sprayed it here, he got it all over there too. Alright, I'm using the oil-based polish I've been using for years to take off stuff like this. Once you get the rag good and juiced up, it comes off better. But yeah, you don't want to use anything, you know, harsh chemicals. You want to use something that you actually do have to work in there to get it off. You don't want to use something that's so strong you wipe it on, wipe it off, it just comes right off. That might be too much for your clear coat. That's a pretty good bit of paint. And I was able to take it off the stripe too, without damaging the stripe. It's a little noisy here. I'm at a body shop. Because you risk diminishing that clear coat. I'm not going to diminish anything doing this. It is about new time for a rag. But I got one more corner I can use. Because you will never wash these oils out of the rag, so you might as well throw it away. It's just too much oil. That's it. I gotta change arms, y'all. I've got all the overspray off of this Challenger. The graffiti, vandalism, cheated on me, whatever. I got it off the trunk. This side here has been done. Everything's been played. I'm going to go over this trim, this decal, whatever. The black here on here is from this decal. That's how much oxidation I've taken off that decal, bringing it back to factory specs. Last bit on this door. I'll tell you, after I polish this car, it's going to look better than before they ever vandalized it. All right, there you go. That is your finished product, 2014 Challenger. I got all that graffiti off of there, vandalism. It's all perfect. All the pinstriping or decals has been restored back to factory conditions. It's not dry anymore. All the way to the bottom, all that overspray is off. Look at that hood. I polished this car. The other side of it, polished, like I say. All those decals, that stripe, it's been polished. It's not going to be shiny, but it's back to factory specifications. It's not dry anymore. Look at the wing itself. I polished it also. You know, it's not supposed to be shiny, but it wasn't supposed to look that horrible. Look at that trunk. Now I'm going to take it over to the body shop out front. Let them guys look it over real good. Look at that hood. That hood is polished. Much better condition than it was before they ever oversprayed this vehicle. Look at that finish. All the front end's been polished, every piece of it. It's looking good. Oh, she looks good. Much better. Oh, 10 times better than what it was.